Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. I hope you all are doing great and learn this language in a good way. So guys, today I want to talk about how should we think in English always, because now you might think uh, how beginner can think in English every time. So the thing is, whenever you achieve some good command, like if you know the basic knowledge of English, so later then you should think in English. What all work you do in your day, in a day, so you should think all things in English. Like whenever you go and what all work you do, like in your daily routine, so you should think all things in English. And later you think, I don't know the all word meaning, how can I think in English? So which all word you don't know, so that time immediately you should search on Google Translate and know the all process of this word and inculcate this word in your daily uh, conversation. Like if you don't do conversation with someone else, so you can do convey your thought with yourself. You should talk with yourself, like front of mirror. And uh, if you don't do this type of practice, so you should talk with yourself silently. So that is going to help you. You should talk as much as possible, and you should use those all word in your daily basis in your mind. So that is going help us. So guys, personally I do these all things. First, whenever I see some new word in videos and anywhere, so I search that time immediately these word meaning, and later then I inculcate those word meaning in my conversation, and I use this word again to again. So that is going to help in vocabulary too. Because if you want to learn vocabulary intentionally, like if you have a dictionary, and if you note down all word meaning on your diary and anywhere, so I think that is not going to help you like this. This technique is going to help you. Like if you saw any word, so you can immediately search, and later then you can inculcate in your conversation. So guys, I just want to say, you should always think in English wherever you go and what all work you do. And right now I make my video front of you and front of camera. So right now all things I can't properly think in English, and I right now what can I say, not coming right word in my mind, because this is a lack of practice and this is a lack of English knowledge all about. So guys, just I want to say, if you want to good command in English, so you should always think in English. What all work you do, no matter wherever you do, what all work you do in your daily basis, so if you want to good command in English, so you should think all things in English. Because I personally do this, that's why I share with you. So wherever I go and whenever I do my study and all stuff, so I just think in all things in English, and which word meaning I don't know, so I search that time immediately, and I uh, go that time on Google Translate and search and know the meaning and know the all process of this word. So that's why I easily can think in English, and also I can improve my vocabulary too. Because if I do intentionally learn to vocabulary, so that's the thing, I can't learn vocabulary by this technique. I just know all vocabulary by whenever I watch some videos and whenever I saw see new word somewhere. So that time I search and know the all process of this word, and that time I catch my mind this word, and later then I inculcate all those word in my um, thinking process and in my daily basis conversation. Although I don't do conversation practice with other, and I don't have any partner yet. So later I will see if I have any partner, and if I do any session with someone else, like so many YouTuber are available in those these days. So guys, mm, I do this type of little bit so many mistake in my videos. So you can correct me, but it is normal thing, because if you are learner and if you are beginner, so you are not perfect. So I can say I'm also not perfect, but I just make my videos for my growth and for my improvement. So guys, if these videos are going to help you somewhere, so please keep support and do like, subscribe my channel for more, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.